Okay, students, welcome to the class. This is last class of Unit 10, electricity. This is house wiring system. House wiring means the wiring connection in our house to light bulb, to run fan, to run heater, any electrical appliances. That system is house wiring system. Uh, in this session, we'll go just basic things about house wiring. Okay. At first, what is house wiring system? Electricity is generated from electric power station, and that electricity is uh, transported to our houses, and it is far from our residential area, and that is carried to our houses through two wires, electrical circuits. Electricity is transmitted through a wire and supplied to the customer house. Customer house means our houses. Then two types of wires are there in electricity supply. That is, one is phase wire, and phase wire means positive line. Another is neutral wire or negative wire, that is symbolized by plus and minus. Phase wire means plus, neutral wire means minus. Then in house wiring system, mainly this is the system. This is the series. This is the system uh, in which house wiring is uh, done. Then at first, in our house, when electricity comes in our house, that electricity first is connected with main fuse. Main fuse, generally main fuse is inside meter box. Inside meter box there is main fuse, and from main fuse that wire is connected with meter box. Meter box means that tool which gives the unit of our electricity consumed, that meter box. And from meter box that is connected with main switch. Main switch is outside the meter box. In all type of main switch, it has long lever. It can be pulled up and down. Main switch. From main switch that is connected with a customer fuse. Customer fuse, generally it is also called MCB. And from customer fuse that is connected with distribution board. Distribution board means mostly there is one big box for in from there, from big box uh, different distribution is made into our rooms. Yes, and inside room home appliances are used. In this way, this is the series of uh, electricity supply. Main fuse, from main fuse meter box, from meter box main switch, and from switch customer fuse, from fuse distribution board, and from board home appliances, that means heater, electricity bulb, uh, that type of uh, instruments. Okay, now process connected to main fuse, from main fuse, and main fuse is also called authority fuse. Authority means that cannot be maintained by ourselves. To maintain fuse, main fuse, we should call to authorized electricity person, that is from electricity office. Therefore, it is also called authority fuse. From, and it controls the whole system of household electricity. If the main fuse is off or damaged, whole system of the house will be off. Even in meter box also, that will be off, line is cut off. It helps to resist the high flow of electricity. If the flow of electricity is very high, at that time that main fuse works. And inside main fuse, there is a very thin wire, and that wire will be burnt, and electricity supply will be stopped in the house. Then in second step, main fuse is connected with meter box. Then meter box is connected with main switch, and main switch is connected with customer fuse, and this customer fuse is also called MCB. In our general language, we say MCB. And from customer fuse, uh, and yes, earth wire is connected from the main switch to the earth, yes, and this is third wire. This is third wire from main switch. One third line is connected. That is called earth wire, and the process is called earthing. And this earthing protects the house wiring system from probable thunderstorm or high voltage current supply in the house. That is called earth wire. This is third, and uh, then it is also called earthing is. Then from the main switch, wire is connected to distribution board, and from distribution board, home appliances are run. In this way, this is the simple process of house wiring, and all the loads are connected in parallel connection. That means parallel connection means uh, all the phase point of the instruments is connected with the phase wire of the supply, and neutral wire is connected to the neutral wire of the supply. This type of wiring is called parallel connection. There are two types of connections. One is series connection and another is parallel connection. Uh, I'll make you clear about this parallel connection uh, and that series connection by one geometrical representation. Okay, if there are two lines, 2 points, one is phase and one is neutral. If this is phase, this red is phase, and if another is neutral, for example, this is neutral, blue is neutral, red is phase, and this is uh, plus. This is plus and this is minus point of the wire in house wiring system. Then connection is made. That means fan. From fan, from fan one, from fan one, uh, one wire is connected with uh, phase line, and another is connected with neutral line. Similarly, another instrument is here, for example, radio. From radio also, one wire is connected with phase point and another wire is connected with neutral point. In this way, every instruments which are present inside house, one point is connected with plus point and another two minus point. Then this type of wiring is called parallel wiring, parallel connection. And another type of wiring is that is series wiring. That series wiring means if there are 2 points, phase and neutral. This is neutral, and another is phase, phase, and this red is phase line, therefore I write here plus, and blue is neutral, and that is I write minus. And series means if there is one fan, for example, it is not applicable in house. Okay, and just I want to show you what is series combination. For example, fan. Then in series, what is done? From only one point is connected. Only one line is connected to any one of the two, whether this one or this one, anyone. Okay, I join to phase point for one line, and another line is connected with another instruments. For example, here is radio, radio, and it is connected with radio. Then from radio, okay, from radio also there is one uh, wire. One wire of radio is connected with one wire of the fan, and from the radio, this is the last. Then it is connected to neutral point. This is called series. From one point fan, from fan to radio, from radio to another tools, from that in this way one point is connected, and lastly return to the remaining point. Phase is already connected, then the neutral point is left, then it is connected to neutral point. Then this type of combination is series combination, but this is not applicable in house wiring. Okay, series combination is not applicable in house wiring. All have to join to phase. All have to join to phase. Not applicable in uh, not applicable in series combination. Therefore, it is not applicable. Every point from here 1 to plus point, from fan 1 to plus point, 1 to minus point, from radio also 1 to plus point and another minus point. This type of combination is parallel combination. In house wiring system, parallel combination is only applicable. Okay, in this way house wiring is done. Then every instruments are controlled by different switch. We know this as, yes, in this way. This is the series. This is the system in house wiring. This is the house wiring. I have already told you, from main fuse, meter box. This is the same thing. And in this way, house wiring is done. We don't go deep about house wiring system, and therefore we should not go very deep. Just we go the simple system. Then about house wiring, if you have any question. Hello students. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question about this topic?
Hello.
No. Do you have any question or not? No.
No,
Then
sir.
no. Then another another topic is that electrical instruments used in our houses. Okay, that is different tools, different tools which are used in our houses. That is electrical instruments. Electrical instruments. Okay, let's go to electrical instruments. Mm, electrical instruments. Okay. Uh, electrical instruments. Okay. Okay. Now, electrical devices which is used in our houses, it is not so difficult. It is very easy topic. And what is electrical devices? Electricity is a multi-purpose energy. We can run different types of equipments. Therefore, it is very important energy. Many devices can be operated by using electricity. Mainly, electricity is one energy, and according to the type of the tools, type of the instruments, electrical energy is converted into different other types of energy. Okay, electrical energy is converted into another type of energy. Whatever the energy, whatever the equipment is used. One is electrical lamp. Lamp means to give light. Mainly, its function is to give light. But some percentage of energy is converted into heat energy also, because in lamp we feel hotness also. But main purpose of electrical lamp is to give light. That means in electrical lamp, electrical energy is converted into light energy. Electrical energy is converted into light energy. And according to your textbook, two types of electrical lamp are included. But nowadays, these are not only the types of lamps. Nowadays, very advanced type of lamps are also already developed. That is, uh, that is one is filament lamp, another fluorescent lamp, and another is that what is called that uh, uh, LED lamp, LED lamp, LED lamp. After LED lamp is developed, and before LED lamp, there is another type of lamp, like fluorescent lamp, tube light. Yes, filament lamp means there is one bulb, there is a big bulb, and inside bulb there is a coil. This is bulb, and in bulb it has yes, this is bulb, and inside bulb there is coil. There is coil. From here, one wire is going inside, and there is coil. This is coil. This is called filament lamp. In filament lamp, inside material is tungstone. Tungstone. Tungstone metal. This is okay. Tungstone metal. Inside filament is tungstone metal. Inside filament is tungstone metal. And gas is here, that is nitrogen gas. Inside bulb, there is nitrogen gas. Nitrogen. Nitrogen gas is filled inside bulb. Okay. Gas is nitrogen gas, and the metal wire is made by tungstone metal. In this way, filament lamp is made. Another type of, and it gives filament lamp gives uh, this filament lamp gives third 70% 70% heat, and 30% light. 30 only, 30% energy is converted into light in filament bulb, filament lamp. 70% of electricity is utilized in heat energy. Only 30% is converted into light energy. Therefore, it is not so applicable nowadays for lighting purpose. Another type of lamp is fluorescent lamp. Fluorescent lamp means tube light. Fluorescent lamp means tube light. Inside tube light, if this is tube light, inside tube light uh, there are 2 points. Uh, yes, one is here. Sorry, one is here. Yes, and another here. Two. Internally, what happens? Internally, both have coil. In fluorescent lamp, internally both have coil. That coil is very fine. Here is also coil. Here is coil. Okay, coil. Internally coil. In this side also internally there is coil, but that is very fine. And inside mercury powder is mercury vapor is uh, filled inside tube light, and energy is produced, is produced from these two ends only. These two ends, one is from here, light source is this point and this point. Then what happens? Due to mercury vapor, inside there is mercury vapor. Mercury vapor is filled inside part is filled with mercury vapor, and due to mercury vapor, this light is magnified. From one end to another end, light is transferred and whole tube becomes glowing. Whole tube becomes glowing. That means from both sides, light is passing from one end to another end, and whole mercury vapor is glowing and it gives more light. It is just opposite of uh, filament lamp. That means 70%, more than 70%. Okay, more than 70% light energy, and remaining other about 30% heat energy. Therefore, fluorescent lamp is very uh, useful for lighting purpose. And LED lamp gives about 95% nowadays, 95% light. Okay, LED lamp gives 95% light, only about 5% heat energy. Therefore, uh, LED lamp is the modern type of lighting system. Okay. Okay. Then about uh, electrical devices, next is heater. Heater gives heat energy. That means electrical energy is converted into heat energy. But in heater also few parts are converted into light energy. We feel so because we can see heater glowing. We see heater glowing. Glowing means light is also producing. But main function of heater is to convert electrical energy into heat energy. And examples of heater devices are heater, iron, immersion heater. Immersion heater means there is one coil made by that copper, and this is like this wire. This from here, yes, This is immersion heater. This is immersion heater. There is a handle and it is kept inside water. This is for heating water. Immersion heater means this one. And another electrical kettle. Electric kettle means to boil water. And these type of uh, equipments are used as heater. These are examples of heater. Another electrical bell. Electrical bell is the bell like in our school bell. It runs with the help of electricity. When electricity is transferred, when electricity is given to the electrical bell, then one magnet is produced there inside, and that is temporary magnet. Due to temporary magnet, there is hammering system is there, and by that hammer runs and gives sound energy, and the bell rings. That is electrical bell. We don't go the structure of electrical bell now. Just we give the example. And temporary magnet is made. Electricity is present, magnet. Electricity is absent, only iron. This temporary magnet. Inside bell there is temporary magnet. That means when the switch is on, the magnet is induced by electricity, and hammer is attracted and hits the plate. When switch is off, uh, magnet is not forming, only the iron is there, and it does not attract the hammer and does not ring the bell. And this type of uh, magnet is called electromagnet. That means magnet induced by electricity is called electromagnet. Electromagnet. Okay, then uh, this is also very familiar equipment in our daily life. Another equipment is radio, television. We know this. Radio and television, these are the means of communication. Radio and television. Previously, it was one-sided communication, but nowadays, due to phone call, in radio also, in television also, two-way conversation is possible nowadays. But mainly these are communication media, and both are operated by electricity, and in some examples by battery also they are run. Television is an important audio visual device. Radio is only audio device. We can listen sound only. Television is AV. AV means audio visual device. We can listen the sound also. We can enjoy the music also. We can see the visual portion also. Therefore, this is television is the audio visual device. Telephone mobile. This is also communication device. Nowadays, telephone and mobile, especially mobile, has become the means for distant learning. Just now, many of you are using mobile phone for the class, online class. That means this is also media for distant learning also. And this can be learned by, operated by electricity. Electricity means not only the domestic electricity. Inside device, there is battery, that is also electricity. Computer. Computer is connected to the people through the worldwide networks, through internet. And this is the basic thing of our life. In computer, email, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Messenger, and other sites from internet, they are used. And it is also used to type books, and this material which is prepared for your class, it is also prepared in computer, and this computer runs with electricity. And in computer also, electrical energy is converted into light energy also, and sound energy also when we play sound. Okay, in this way, this is also electrical device. Fuse. Now in our house, we have told you fuse. There is fuse. In previous slide, there was fuse. Yes, fuse is a thin wire connected with the main supply of the house wiring system. Then what happens when current is passing through fuse and the voltage is very high? Then what happens? That fuse wire will burn by hitting effect. That wire will be burned. This is fuse wire, for example, and this wire is burned due to high voltage. Then some part will be break and electrical supply is broken. That means fuse is the device used in our houses to protect house from high voltage supply. If high voltage is passed in electrical devices connected in our houses, all the devices will be damaged. Therefore, sometimes in thunderstorm time, भनेको मतलब चट्र्याङ परेको बेलामा रेडियो टेलिभिजन बिग्रन्छ, किन? चट्र्याङबाट हाई भोल्टेज करेन्ट रेडियो टेलिभिजनमा प्रवेश गर्न पायो भने त्यो हाई भोल्टेजले रेडियो टेलिभिजन भित्र भएको सर्किट जलाइदिन्छ र सामान बिग्रन्छ। त्यसैगरी फ्युजले पनि हाम्रो घरमा हुने सप्लाईलाई जोगाउनको लागि हाई भोल्टेज आउँदाखेरि मसिनो तार राखेको हुन्छ र हाई भोल्ट आउने बित्तिकै जल्छ तार, अनि घरभित्र छिर्न पाएन, अनि अरू सामानहरुमा छिर्न पाएन, अनि सामान जोगिन्छ। Therefore, fuse is weak portion. Fuse is weak portion. मसिनो तार हुन्छ, त्यसैले weak portion added to the circuit. It is made by alloy of tin. Tin को यौगिकसँग यो फ्युज बनाइएको हुन्छ, tin. Tin is one metal. By the use of tin, this fuse wire is made. Okay, this is very protective circuit in our houses. There are two types of fuses. Okay, same thing which I have already told you. This is okay. फ्युज हाल्दाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो घरमा जति इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई चाहिने हो त्यो भन्दा थोरै त्यसको भ्यालु बढाएर राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। यो हामीले जान्दैनौं, यो भनेको हाउस वायरिङ गर्ने मानिसलाई थाहा हुन्छ। कति बल्ब बाल्ने, कति हिटर बाल्ने, त्यो हिसाबमा कति क्यापासिटीको फ्युज राख्ने भनेर उनीहरूले थाहा पाउँछन् र उनीहरूले मिलाउँछन्। Miniature brake circuit system is same like fuse, only difference is that this is fuse, this is miniature circuit breaker. Miniature circuit breaker, यसमा चाहिँ बाहिरबाट हामीले वायर निकाल्न मिल्दैन, हाई भोल्टेज आउने बित्तिकै इन्टरनली अटो कट अफ भइहाल्छ, लाइन अटो कट अफ भइहाल्छ। हाई भोल्टेज आएपछि यो भित्र म्याग्नेट हुन्छ, हाई भोल्टेज आउने बित्तिकै म्याग्नेट हाई बन्छ र त्यो म्याग्नेटले लाइन कट अफ गराउने काम मिलाइएको हुन्छ। यो हामीले चलिरहनु पर्दैन। फ्युजमा चाहिँ हामीले तार गयो भने चल्यो भने फेर्नु पर्छ, यो खालको हुन्छ, पुरानो। यसलाई क्रिकेट पनि भन्छौं हामीले बोलचालिक भाषामा। अनि एमसीबी मा चाहिँ अटोमेटिक सिस्टम हुन्छ, फ्युज जाने बित्तिकै हाई भोल्टेज आउने बित्तिकै अटोमेटिकल्ली त्यसमा लाइन काटिने सिस्टम मिलाइएको हुन्छ। यसमा हामीले तार खोलेर मिलाउनु मिल्दैन। ओके स्टुडेन्ट्स, डु यु हेभ एनी कन्फ्युजन?
नो सर।
बुक राम्रोसँग पढ्ने है। आज एक्सर्साइज पनि गर्ने भन्ने विचार गरेको थियो, एक्सर्साइज अलिकति भ्याए नभए होला जस्तो भयो है। बुक राम्रोसँग पढ्ने। यो स्लाइड चाहिन्छ भने म पठाइदिन्छु र भिडियो चाहिँ लिङ्क आउँछ है। जसले छुटाएको छ, क्लासमा जसलाई डिस्टर्ब भएको छ, इन्टरनेटको प्रब्लमले सुन्न पाएन, तिनीहरूको लागि सपोर्ट हुन्छ है। दिस इज द समरी। यो होल च्याप्टरको समरी हो यो। एक्सर्साइज थियो। एक्सर्साइज